Hello guys, we are going to Valencia from Madrid. So we are here at the Madrid Chamartin Clara Campoamor station. And then we are going to take the Ouigo to go to Valencia Joaquin Sorolla. It's a fast train. So in this video, you are going to see how you're going to transfer from Madrid to Valencia via the high-speed train. So this is the entrance of the station. We are going there and then we're going to pass a control and then we're going inside. Let's go guys! Okay, so this is the entrance of the station and now we're going inside the station. So this is the entrance of the Madrid Chamartin Clara Campoamor station. So let's go inside. This is the entrance. You can there are like 3 entrances here. Okay, so this is the entrance and we're going to look for our train. Okay, so we go there this way. That's where we go. But there are lots of stores here. So this is, and there's a security there. Okay, so we just passed the security control and now we're going to our platform. So that way, this way. And then we are downstairs. The train is waiting for us. So let's pass this way. Okay guys, actually there's lots of people today. So just to make sure that when you go here in this station in Madrid Chamartin Clara Campoamor, you have enough time to pass to the security control and wait for the train because there's lots of people. So it's better if you have enough time because it's better if you don't rush and just chill to go to the train. Now guys, we are at the platform and we are going to wait for our train. We're going to check the QR code here. So there's a queue here. So this is our platform, Valencia Sorolla, via 17, 115 Ouigo. Okay, so it shows our destination and the people are getting ready with their QR code. They are going to check here before you board the train. Okay, so I have to check my QR code. You don't need to print actually. You just show it on your phone. So I'll have to check it. Okay, so they just check our QR code and now we are going to see our seats. We're going to the couch. Ouigo. We are riding this Ouigo. We go to Valencia. So our car is car number 6. So we're going to car number 6. Actually, it's very long. It's very long, guys. So that's our car. So this is Ouigo. I have tried Ouigo several times now and I'm quite happy with their service, how they transfer people from one city to another. So we're going to take again Ouigo. I think this is a French company, Ouigo.com. So if you're going to book, you can just go to their website, Ouigo.com. We're going to look for our car. So this is car number 5 and we are going to car number 6. There are two floors. This is car number 6. I actually forget my seat number. I have to check first. Okay guys, we go inside the train. So actually there are 2 floors. This is the first floor, and we are going to the second floor. This is the second floor. 21 DIT. 21 D.
También hay que dejar la maleta mucho lecho, porque no nada mete muy los. Quita.
Okay, so this is where you can put your baggage, your luggage, and here is the comfort room. Okay, so we're going to number 31. You can also stay here. There are some sockets here to charge. So we will go to our seats. It's a car number.
Yo traía 50 para pagar.
En el río sí, pensaba que me
31 days. So this is our car. Wow, I love it. Okay, so we're going to see. So you can also put your luggage here. And there's also comfort room here. So there's lots of spaces here, guys. It's really easy to go here. Inside the train, there's lots of spaces. See, these are the spaces here in this train. So there's lots of spaces. And here also you can put your luggage. And also in this part, you can also put the luggage. So I hope there's no one sitting here. So it's here you can put your jacket. Or here you can put your, and you can control the lights here. And here you can also put some your bags. So that's what else? There are also the socket here. You can put your things here. And that is the platform. People coming in. So basically it's pretty simple. This is my, I can't count anymore if it's my second, third or fourth time to ride Ouigo Train.
No, te lo juro que no.
Alright guys, so we're waiting for the train to depart. Again, the total time travel would be 2 hours and I paid 22 euros for this ride from Madrid Chamartin Clara Campoamor to Valencia Joaquin Sorolla. Only 22 euros. But you can get it less than 22 euros if you would book in advance. Of course, and depending on the day, because mostly Saturday, Sunday it would be higher, the price is higher. But since today is Thursday, I think it's cheaper, and depending on the time as well. So we're going to depart in a bit.
Bienvenidos al universo Ouigo. Os habla la tripulación. Nuestro destino es Valencia Joaquín Sorolla. Os informamos que no está permitido fumar a bordo ni el uso de cigarrillos electrónicos. Para todos aquellos viajeros con mascota, os recordamos que deben viajar debajo del asiento en el regazo y siempre dentro de su transportín. Muchas gracias. Welcome to the Ouigo universe. This is Chris speaking. Our destination is Valencia Joaquín Sorolla. We remind you that smoking or the use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed on board. For all passengers traveling with pets, please remember that they must always remain inside the carrier, which may be placed underneath your seat or on your lap. Thank you very much.
Hágalo, muchacho. Ahora vayan aquí.
Okay guys, so we just arrived and we're going down. Welcome to Valencia. Welcome to Valencia. After 2 hours, we arrived here at Valencia Joaquin Sorolla station. I'm too tired and I'm too hungry, so I have to find a restaurant first and I'm going to eat. So this is the Ouigo, everybody is going down. That's the Ouigo. Okay guys, let's walk until we reach the security. Okay guys, so we just passed the exit. Now we're going to the outside of the station. So here at the back, you can see the people waiting for their relatives or friends. And there are also some stores here. We're going outside and take a metro or train station outside. Just 1 minute to go outside. Okay, so we're now outside. So this is Valencia. Welcome to Valencia. This is the outside of the station of Valencia Joaquin Sorolla station. This part, you can take a bus here going to Valencia North and to the city of Valencia, that part. And also, if you want to take the metro, you can go here to Jesus station here. Even the taxis and private transfers are waiting in this place. So again, welcome to Valencia, Spain. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. And again, we already arrived here in Valencia, Spain. And if I'm going to rate the travel, the highest would be 10 and the lowest is 1. I could say that I can give 10. So the journey has been comfortable. I paid 22 euros. I booked in advance and the time is 2 hours. We arrived on time here in Valencia Joaquin Sorolla. So this is the Valencia Joaquin Sorolla station. Thank you so much guys again for joining me in this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe now. This has been Nathaniel Travels. See you next time.